In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage task statuses in ClickUp. This process will help you stay organized and ensure your workspace functions smoothly. Let's get started. First, we're going to head over to ClickUp. If you're not familiar with ClickUp, it's a cloud-based collaboration and project management tool that facilitates task management among teams and individuals. Simply type ClickUp into your browser or use your existing bookmark to navigate directly to the website. Once there, log into your account to access your workspaces. After you log in, you'll want to navigate to Spaces. Think of spaces as the various departments or projects within your organization. They help keep everything organized so you can focus on different projects without mixing them up. Next, locate the space you need to configure. Once you've identified it, look for the three little dots usually found next to the name of your space. Think of these as the gateway to more tools and settings. Click on these dots to open up a menu. From here, you'll want to click on Task Statuses. This area is crucial because it lets you manage how tasks in this specific space flow from one stage to another. Once you're in Task Statuses, you'll be able to see a list of all current statuses for your tasks within that space. If you've ever wondered how to streamline or declutter this list, you're in the right place. Find the status you want to delete, whether it's something outdated or redundant, and click on the three dots next to it. This brings up another menu where you'll find the Delete Status option. Click on it, and just like that, you'll have successfully removed that task status from your workflow. And that's it. You have now completed the process. By learning how to delete unnecessary task statuses, you're taking a significant step towards making your workspace cleaner and more efficient. This is particularly useful in preventing clutter and maintaining focus on what's truly important for your ongoing projects. If you're working in a team setting, you might want to communicate these changes with your teammates. It's always helpful to ensure that everyone is on the same page, which can prevent confusion later on. Simply send a quick message or a team update explaining what changes have been made and why it'll benefit the team. Whether you're new to ClickUp or a seasoned user, it's always a good idea to keep your space organized. Maintaining productivity is not just about completing tasks, it's also about managing them effectively. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need to refresh your memory on managing task statuses in ClickUp. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.